Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Review Chains. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play GTA 5, Grand Theft Auto 5 on your smartphone. Very easy and 100% legit. The only thing you will have to do is install an application, sign up and subscribe if you want to keep playing this game. If you like videos like this and videos, for example, about how to play PUBG with your controller on your smartphone, just subscribe down below and write down in the comments what you have for suggestions for future videos. Let's start. So, the first step that you have to do is download this application, Xbox Game Pass. You just go to your Play Store, you write down the name, and there you can download the app. The app is completely free. And once you have downloaded this app, you open it up, obviously. Voila. Just have a little bit of patience. Welcome, Xbox One Pass. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up. If you already have one like me, you just sign in with your current account. Now, this is a very handy app that gives you a lot of comfort when playing the games, but I'm going to tell you the little price at the end of the video so you don't get discouraged and see first how well it works. So I'm going to sign in. Now once you've logged in, you get this welcome screen, play from the comfort of your own home. No thanks, we don't want to send any optional data. Now once you're here, you can choose cloud, console or PC. You're going to choose cloud because console or PC means you want to play on one of those and you can download the games on those consoles. Now we are going to play from the cloud, as Grand Theft Auto GTA 5 is a very power consuming game for a smartphone. Now before we're going to start playing, we need to connect our Xbox One controller. This is very easy. We're going to start by going to our Bluetooth settings. I'm going to put the phone aside. Then we take our controller, we turn it on. Once it's turned on, we hold this button until the controller starts flashing fast. And then we take our phone, and on the phone we're gonna choose pair new device, and here's the Xbox wireless controller. Voila. Now that it's paired, we can go back to the Xbox Game Pass app and we choose Grand Theft Auto and we press play. Let's turn the volume up. I'm gonna put the phone like this so you can see it clearly. I just installed the app, so the first time it loads, it takes a little while and maybe a little bit snappy at the beginning. But as long as you have a good Wi-Fi connection, you shouldn't have any problems. You got it? Oh, excuse me. So, I just started up the game. Let's see how it will work. Grand Theft Auto 5 on your smartphone. Now, as you saw while we were turning on that game, you have a lot of other games that you can play, and many of them are nice official games. And voila, look at this. The graphics are very beautiful, by the way. Since it's not being rendered on your own phone, it's just being streamed. I'm sorry, it's not an immediate gameplay scene. Okay. No.
I stepped the closet. Get him in there. Come on.
Okay.
What is the problem? Why are they still out here? You were meant to lock them down.
The controller is not working immediately. This seems like this button is not working.
All set. Over it in.
Oh no, it works. I just had to wait a little bit. Voila. Should I open this?
We gonna do this?
So as you can see, I can play the game, I can walk around, I can shoot, I have to do something, but I'm not good at games. I don't really play games. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to play Grand Theft Auto with your smartphone. If you have any questions, write them down below. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and like for more. I would really like that, and I will make more videos in the future. Just give me some suggestions if you have any questions or some ideas for future videos. Thank you and enjoy playing.